In order to visualize the data properly, datasets in SubjectBook are assumed to be organized in a particular file structure in the cloud. This folder here named Light Detection is an example of a valid folder in SubjectBook. Inside this folder, there is a separate folder for each subject in the study. And inside each subject folder, there is one or more folders that represent the number of sessions the subject went throughout the experiment. Also inside this folder, the information that is independent to any session are saved, such as the biographic and performance information. The data inside the sessions can be texts, videos, Excels, or CSV files. SubjectBook decides how to deal with each file based on the extension assigned to it. By default, SubjectBook provides the user with a list of file extensions along with the expected data they should include, where the users have the option either to use it or to create their own list. If you click on Manage Your Data after logging in, you will see all the file extensions supported by SubjectBook. Each line represents a different data type and has 7 attributes. Data description provides a brief description about the data. Data extension determines the extension of the file that contains the data. This is a user-defined extension and has nothing to do with the internal structure of the file. Data type attribute specifies how SubjectBook is going to deal with the data, and it takes one of the following values: text data, signal data, video, tabular data, or psychometric data. Text data will be presented as it is in a separate panel and assumed to be saved in a text file. Signal data will be presented as a line chart and assumed to be saved in Excel or CSV file. Video will be delivered to user in a synchronized way with signal data. Tabular data will be presented as bar charts and assumed to be saved in CSV or Excel file. And final, psychometric data will be presented using a special kind of chart and assumed to be saved in a text file in the form of key value pairs. Y title and sample rate are only applicable for signal data. Y title is the title that the user wants to appear on the y-axis, while sample rate is used to allow users downsampling the signal when is needed. The last two fields are used to specify at which row and column the SubjectBook should start reading the data. This is only applicable for both signal data and tabular data. If a user decides to add a new data type for any reason, he can go to add a new data type at the top of the page to create a new one. This will take him to a new page where he will be asked to provide values for the attributes that we just described.